wanted to show y'all this dog food container that I just got from Amazon. I have my other dog food over here, but I have a special needs dog, and so I wanted to put his special needs food in a different bucket and keep it separate. So I got this one from Amazon. It is collapsible and it has a lid, so you can take this part off if you need to, or you can just open this top part. Hi Bailey, there's my special needs boy. He gets a special diet, and so wanted to keep these separate. The other thing that I like about this is because it's collapsible, I'll be able to collapse it down when we go camping so that it doesn't take up as much space. Let me push it down real quick. Hold on. Okay, there. So that collapsed down quite a bit. So if I need to, I can collapse that down and it won't take up as much space when we're going camping. In fact, that gives me an idea that I might buy a second one to put the other dog's food in. Same reason, so that when we go camping, it doesn't take up as much space. But for now, I'll just leave it this full height. And there are, you see, there's little wheels on the bottom. And yes, somebody wants me to play ball. Good job, Bailey. All right, so I love this. It does have the little wheels on it. And it fits right here in the pantry. And then my other dog's food is over here. And everything's in its own spot. So I like this new one. It's going to come in very handy. If you like this video, follow my shop for other more Amazon finds. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.